Good morning. It is February 4th, Monday morning. This is a Planner Society subscription box. This actually came yesterday on a Sunday. I didn't realize my post office delivered packages on Sunday, but I guess they do. Since this was Mark II Day, they had to deliver it by yesterday. So I was very happy, but I'm opening it right now. So the Planner Society is like a planner subscription service. This is my first subscription box I've got from it. My cousin Narissa recommended it. She has a couple past boxes, and when I visited her a couple weeks ago, she showed them all to me, and I was really intrigued, so I wanted to try it out. It is $39.95, and it's every 2 months. Plus shipping, I think, was like $15. So it is a little more expensive, but let's be honest, a lot of planner items are expensive. So depending what you get in the package, I'm thinking it's a good deal. If you've picked up planners at Michael's, excuse me, or Hobby Lobby, you know that stuff is expensive. So I'm thinking $39.95 is a pretty good deal. But it's it's easy to cancel if I don't like it for the future, but I think I'm gonna like it. So, and look, it's a nice box. I just was impressed by the box. And then I did open it a little bit just so I wasn't fumbling when I'm videoing, but I haven't really flipped through it yet. So it comes in this nice little bag. I love it. And like, you can even like use this bag for junk journaling. Even though I do more junk journaling than planning, I'm pretty sure I can use all this stuff. So let's pull everything out. And I do have a planner, don't get me wrong. I just prefer junk journals over planners. Let's see. All right, so right off the bat, I love this. This is like some kind of pencil case. It's got a cute little charm on it. Let's see. All right, oh, that's cool. So it's got elastic bands to hold the pens and then just to hold stuff. That is so cute. I could totally see putting that in my purse. All right, let's put that to the side. And then this is a stamp. That's cute. Oh wait, here's a patch. So I guess this is like a coffee cup with roses coming out. That is cute. I like it. Let's see. And then this is, I'm sorry. I totally have a frog in my throat this morning. All right, I'm not an expert on this stuff. Like I said, I'm kind of new to the planning world, so I'm not for sure what these are. It says notes on it, so maybe like little tabs you put at the top of your pages. They're just die cut cards. So this was says notes, month, week, today, list. Okay, so I'm assuming this is like tabs to put on the side. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like that a lot. And then I love how she like just puts all this stuff in cute little bags. These are adorable. I love how it's organized. Very professional. And then this is more little tags, index tags. All right, if I can get them out. Definitely flower theme. I love it. So yeah, these are like the tabs that you can just put over the pages on the side. And then we got stickers to use for them. Oh, wow. Oh, and there's month stickers and week stickers. I like it. Oh, man. I am so sorry about the coughing. This weather is just killing me. I cannot wait until summer. All right. And then we have more die cuts. Oh my goodness. This kind of actually makes me want to work harder on my daily planner. These are so adorable. All these little die cuts. Oh, that's cute. Look at this fan. And then one of those trays to store everything. A backpack. Oh my gosh, I really love all these. So these are just die cuts, they're not sticky at all. And then little note cards with inspirational quotes. That is pretty cool. Let me put these back. And even like the backing card, I could totally use that for something else. So many cute little goodies. As I try to put them back and rip the plastic bag. Ugh. All right, there we go. A paper clip with, I think these are like supposed to be washi tape rolls with a ribbon. That's adorable. I'm really starting to like decorative paper clips, so I'm very happy to see that. And then these are little like 3D flowers. I'm not for sure what to do with those. Maybe make paper clips, maybe decorate. I'm still getting into the 3D stuff. I really prefer my journals to lay flat, but I know that the 3D stuff is very popular, so I definitely have to Google that to see what people are doing with these. Let's see. Oh, I think I saw, so she also has an Instagram page where she will talk about the stuff that will be in the box. And so these are plastic washi tape holders. So you know, like washi tape comes in rolls, and say you don't, you know, this roll is not going to fit in your journal very well. And so what people do is take some of the tape off and then wrap it around these plastic cards, and then you can reuse them, because washi tape, most washi tape you can like repill and reuse. So depending on what surface you stick it on, so since this is a plastic surface, it will come off, and then you can take your washi tape with you. That is pretty cool, and I got 4 of them. I like it. Please remove the clear film from the top layer of each washi card before using. Okay, that explains why I thought they were kind of murky. So there's a protective film on each one. Okay, perfect. I think to prevent like scratching and stuff. So put those back in there. And then here is paper clip, binder clips, and then elastic. And I wasn't familiar with this, but Narissa explained this to me. There's a way to use this elastic and these binder clips to turn them into pen holders on the side of your book. And if you're watching this, you probably, oops, sorry, I have automatic lights. If you're watching this, you probably already understand that. Like I said, I'm new to that. So this is to make pen holders. That's really cool. Let's see, and this is, not for sure. Not for sure what this is. Alright, so these are, oh, okay. These are stickable pockets, I think. Clear, yeah, that's a pocket to put it in your planner. Oh, I really like that. Little bows. The bows are adorable. Wow. Let's see. I really, really like that. I'm going to put those back. I'm trying to keep everything organized. Okay. And this is a little packet. These in here. Oh, stickers. I love stickers. Let's see what kind of stickers are in here. Okay, so there's 4 sheets of stickers. Very, very cute. She's got the coffee cup with roses again. Backpack. Oh, those backpacks are adorable. These are so cute. Okay, I'm not even gonna try. I don't want to accidentally stick them. And I'm gonna be using this stuff, so let me just put it in here. Oh, come on. All right, there we go. And then this is just like pads of paper. They're probably sticky pads, sticky notes, because they say like to do and stuff. So, yep, sticky notes. That's so cool. So a to-do list and then a weekly planner. All right, I really like that. And then a cute pen. Oh, this is a really heavy pen. Let's see, what color does it write in? Oh, it's got a protective. Black. Good. I love black. This is a black pen. As I write on myself by accident. Alright, I don't need that. Okay, and then you saw the washi tape. It's this gold accent roses. So cute. And then more stickers. These are like, I don't know what you call them, like edging stickers. And then bow ties. And they're like, they look glow in the dark, but I'm sure they're not. They're just like got this green glitter. But you know, if you're a girl from the 80s, you remember how like glow in the dark stuff was always this green shade. So I'm sure they're not supposed to be glow in the dark, but they sure remind me of 80s glow in the dark stickers. And then let's see, this must be a pad of paper. Let's see if I can get these open with my fingernails. Maybe not. Let me see if I can cut it open without ruining it. I just want to create an easy... No? Oh my goodness. Is there no easy? These are shrunk wrapped really good. I want to see the paper without... Alright, let's try this again. Try not to scratch it. Alright, there we go. Come on. This shrink wrap is difficult. There we go. Alright. I like that. Oh, and they're two-sided. Yay. A lot of the paper I get from Michaels is not two-sided, so I'm happy to see these are two-sided. And then a piece of vellum, and then another piece. Oh my god, look how beautiful that is. And then this is, I don't know, but it's beautiful. And then more of the vellum. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. It's so beautiful. And then more reversible paper. Wow. So these are so cool. This to me is definitely worth $39.95. It's like you have everything you need to create a new planner or add to an existing one. Definitely enough stuff to create a new planner. So I might just create a new planner with this. I gotta think about it. I am so impressed with all this stuff. So yeah, first time with the subscription box and I love it. Very happy. Thanks for watching.